Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to discuss about negative list which is mentioned in the Annexure-III of CGST Act 2017. Now we shall discuss about the activities which shall be treated neither as a supply of goods or as a supply of service. So the number one is the services by employee to employer in the course of or in relation to his employment. So the services provided by employee to the employer in the normal course or in relation to his employment will not be subjected to GST, as there is no supply of goods or services. Then services by court or tribunal. So all the services provided either by a court or tribunal is out of purview of GST, and it will not be subjected to a GST. And the third one is services by member of parliament and others. So services provided by them also not covered under GST, and no GST is payable. Then sale of land and building. So sale of land and building is also outside purview of GST, and no GST is applicable. And in case of building, it is to be noted that when the first occupation or the completion certificate is received, then after it will not be subjected to GST. Next is actionable claims other than lottery, betting and gambling. Next is services of funeral, mortuary, including transportation, of deceased. These are also not covered under GST. Then next one is supply of goods from non-taxable territory to another place in non-taxable territory Okay, without such goods entering into India. This means if you buy material from Dubai and send it to US without bringing it to India, then this transaction will be out of GST and it will not be subjected to GST. Next is supply of warehouse goods to any person before clearance for home consumption. For example, A has imported material and kept in bonded warehouse. It can be public bonded warehouse or private bonded warehouse. Okay, and then it is sold to B before clearance for home consumption, that is before clearance from bonded warehouse, whether public bonded warehouse or private bonded warehouse, then it will not be subjected to GST. Between A and B, it will not be subject to GST. And suppose after that B sell it to C from private bonded warehouse, then it will be subject to GST. IGST would be payable on the goods. And the last one is high seas sale of like purchase of goods. So what is high sea sale? When supply of goods by the consignee to any other person by endorsement of document of title to the goods after the goods have left the port of origin or dispatched from the port of origin located outside India but before clearance for home consumption. So this is called a high sea sale transaction. In this case, the transaction must be completed before the goods are reaching the Indian port. The sale transaction and purchase transaction should be completed before the goods is reaching the Indian port, but after the port of origin is been dispatched from the port of origin. So okay guys, this was about Annexure-III, that is negative list. That is the activities which are treated neither as a supply of goods nor as a supply of services. So thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.